Belgium, the seat of the European Union, said, look, we, the European Union, we have a moral obligation to bring in the immigrants. We were all immigrants at one point. All this nonsense. We have to bring them in. Notwithstanding the fact that it's a completely different culture, completely different worldview, one that was set for the destruction of England. So through the years, from 2011 to about 15, 16, England and the UK, all of it, was fighting this whole influx of Muslim immigrants that they want to assimilate, they wanted to dominate. And there's a counter-state in the United Kingdom right now of Islamic jihadis, one of whom is a friend of the show. He's been in prison, he's out now. They got fed up. And they simply said, we want to be English. We don't want to be taken over. And the European Union is forcing us to take in people we don't want to take in. Boom. Reason number two, the nationalism of the UK. They do not want to be ruled and told what to do with their borders, their sovereignty.
And also, the Yellow Vest movement is about... Nobody's talking about this. Nobody says, you know what, this is a rise up against the infiltration we have, and that's what's driving the whole thing.
Well, that brings up the third reason why the Brits have exited, and the fact of the matter is, folks, it happens tonight at 6 o'clock after 5 years of fighting, but by application for us here in America, the economic issue, the sovereignty border issue, and the third issue is one of political elitism. The Brits were fed up with both leaders of both the conservative movement and the liberal movement, the Labour Party and the Conservative Party. Fed up with the elites and the deep state, there's deep states everywhere in the world. The regular people, the Trump supporters, the us, regular people, were fed up with the elites and said, we don't want you guys controlling our lives anymore. We want to say what's going to take place. Because both of those parties, the Conservatives and the Labour Party, both wanted to remain in the European Union. But the people voted only by about 4% to get the hell out of there, and tonight it happened.
He's taking off.
You're going to see other states in the European Union looking at England, and they have a whole year, all of 2020, to make the transition. And let's keep our eyes on the European Union, because they're going to be aligning even more closely now.
Fucking guy took off.
Could be some interesting stuff.
And real quick point, Tom, that's the reason of the rise of Bernie Sanders pops there, is because people are tired of the status quo. On both sides they are.
On both sides, and here's where the divide is, the cultural divide in political philosophies, whether the solution to the problems we see are socialism, the government, turning to the government for an answer, that's socialism, or whether or not it's a constitutional